Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in to Dissolvable Drives once more, and a big thank you to everyone that saw the Corolla Sportivo transformation video. Thanks to Tom, who just by chance drove his stock Sportivo there that day, and I saw it and I thought perfect photo opportunity. Got a quick couple of snaps and the rest is history. So a big thank you to everyone for the likes, comments and whatever else you do when you're watching my videos. Actually, I don't want to think about what else what else you're doing. That's your business. All right, let's get into it. Top 5 cars to replace the Corolla Sportivo when the time comes. I'm just going to keep recording because I've done about 50 takes to get to this point right now, so I'm just going to keep going. I'm just going to push through it and keep going. This is just unedited, whatever. Just do it. Oh, are you kidding me? Alright, I'm back. And when I say unedited, I mean highly edited. That's what I mean. It's always the opposite. So let's get into it. Back on task. Top 5 cars to replace the Corolla Sportivo once the time arises. So I've got a few things that has to fall into the little list. It's got to be 40 grand, turbocharged, 4-cylinder, iconic driver's car with great aftermarket support. Is that too much to ask? No, it's not. Not for these 5 that are on the list. So let's get started. I've got my list here. It is in no particular order, by the way. This is just the top 5. I'm not putting them in an order. That's where I need your help to put them in an order for me, because I can't decide which should be 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we're starting with a car. It's the Lancer Evolution 6. Now I know there's other Lancer Evolutions out there that are newer and go faster and blah blah blah, whatever. But I love the Evo 6, just the iconic styling, the pump guards, the front end, the rear end, the Recaros. They're just a menacing looking, tough little 4-cylinder turbo JDM legend with huge aftermarket support. It's just endless. These cars are just 1,000 horsepower plus if you've got the pockets. GR Yaris, preferably in the red, but I will consider the white. These are around 40 grand, and before you say, you can't get a GR Yaris for 40 grand in Australia. Well, you can. It's a buyer's market at the moment. There's cars, I've seen them under 40, but most of them are around 44 upwards. I'm not talking about the rally, I'm just talking about the Povo Pack one. But if you're a motivated buyer and you come across a motivated seller, I guarantee you I could get one for 40 or less. FK8 Civic Type R. These are a bit sort of, the styling on them, you either love them or you hate them or you're in between. I'm sort of in between, but it's more of a driver's car for me, in red or white only. The rear end's a bit sort of whatever, how's your father? The front 3/4 is fantastic. I love the interior, the seats are nice. You know, just a great car all round. Next one on the list is Focus RS, and I'm not talking about the Mark 1 or the Mark 3. The Mark II, which is the 5-cylinder engine, that beautiful 5-cylinder. The car looks incredible in the flesh. The pictures just don't do it justice. Just a fantastic car. The stance on it is just a menacing looking, fast little, well, it's not actually even a 4-cylinder, is it? It's a 5-cylinder. So why is it even on the list? Because it's iconic and it meets all of the criteria. So last one. This one's pretty old as well. It's an S15 Sylvia if you're in other parts of the world, but in Australia it was called the 200SX. I'm looking specifically for a Spec R because it's got all the fruit. It's got the sunroof and the big rear wing and all the other doodads. So I don't know much about this car aside from it being just a fantastic car with great aftermarket support. Right, before this video wraps up, there's 4 more cars that didn't make it on the list that I absolutely adore and I would love to own at some stage in the future. The first one, ST205 Celica GT4 Group A Rally in white with the factory 3-spoke wheels and the huge big rear wing that was so synonymous with 90s Toyotas. Next one is the SW20 MR2 GT hardtop from Japan, the 3rd revision with the better engine, etc, etc. Next one, Renault Megane in the orange. Beautiful car. I love these in the flesh. They look fantastic. Our final one is the Golf R 7.5. These are literally everywhere. I see these multiple times throughout the day, and I live in a rural, can't even speak, rural area. That pretty much wraps it up. Thank you for your support. Thank you for the comments, the shares, the likes, and also for the subscription. Right, till next time, see you then. Bye.